Right everyone, so I've got my koi mixed up and I've got a big tub here. Well, I'm going to just put them in, and then when I go down the allotment I'm going to put this in the greenhouse so that it stays down out of the way. But I'm going to put it in my conservatory for now. So I've mixed up the koi. You just put some water in it and it melts pretty quickly. That's what it looks like. So I'm going to mix that with my compost so that I've got it nicely mixed in. So you want to make sure that this is mixed in properly because you want the soil to be loose. And you can get this koi on the internet or any gardening centres and that, but I found it in Poundland. They've got them for £1 a block. So when I see them I usually buy a dozen or so, because I'm going to need some for my sweet potatoes as well. So I just buy them and put them down, and then I'll mix the compost like this also for my sweet potatoes as well. So you've got a nice, when it dries out a bit it's nice and loose. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pour all this in instead of me saving it. That's just one block, you get about 10 litres from one block. Into that now, just going to put into my bucket. I hope I mixed up enough. This is just a temporary bucket for now until when it comes through, then I'll put it into a bigger container. It's going to go into my polytunnel. Don't know if I've got enough. This one has only got one sprout, but I'm going to still plant it and see what happens. If it grows in there, because it was done at the same time as that, if it grows in there then I've got another separate plant to separate, but if it dies then it dies. So trying to think which way up to put this. I think I'm going to put it up that way. Now you see what happened, I pushed it down and the sprout came off. So that means that it was rotting off already. So that's what happened. So don't know what I'm going to do, because it's going in the greenhouse. I'm going to still plant it in there and then see what happens. If it still grows. And this one I'm going to put over here. I'm going to put that one there and cover it. So this is going in my greenhouse. I'm not going to put any water in there because till when I get to the allotment, as it's wet already, so it should be alright. It would be alright in my conservatory as well, but I just haven't got the space in there. So that's the Eddoes or elephant ears they call them. So I'm going to put this in my conservatory on the shelf and leave it till when I'm ready to go up the allotment. I'll take it with me and put it in the greenhouse. So please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment in the comment section. I will get back to you on them. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care of yourself until the next time.